Hello and welcome to the AN1912 4G LTE Video Intercom Startup Guide for adding your device. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get your AN1912 up and running smoothly. Firstly, take out your AN1912 from the packaging and take out all the assortments like your power adapter, the external antenna, your terminal board as well. If you look at the side of the terminal block, you'll find the corresponding information. There are two relays which can control any device requiring normally open and closed circuits, and also the ground and VC for exit, and the AC 1 and 2. And you got an Allen key here that you'll use to take out the screws on the front, these 4 screws. For this demonstration, we'll be using an Audi SIM card, and what we will do is pop it out so you have a micro SIM card just like this. And what we'll need to do is take out the 1912 unit. As you see just on the top here, follow the SIM card image, and what you want to do is slot it in and you'll hear a click. So push it and go click, so you know that this is in, and make sure that it is touching the terminal on top so it is correctly fitted. If you require a LAN connection, the LAN port just in the middle of the 1912, and what you'll do is get an Ethernet cord and just pop it in right here. You'll hear a click as well, just like that. If you fitted your SIM card or LAN connection, feel free to hook up your power adapter to the terminals just right here, and also put in your terminal block, and it will be going one way just in here, just like that. You can click it in. And if you want to have a micro SD card as well, you just place it right here, right next to the LAN. Before you screw back in your 1912, what we want to do is add your device to the app on your Android phone or your Apple phone. And if you see here in the startup guide, there's the App Store and Google Play QR code. So download that onto your phone. For this demonstration, we'll be using an Android phone. Just as a hint, take a picture of this QR code and also the ID and password so you don't have to keep taking it off the panel each time. Once you have installed the Dual Intercom app, log into it to do a password and do a verification code. And once you have done all of that, what you want to do is on the top right side, you have a plus button and add 4G device, and then on the right side of system ID on the icon, and fill out the details right here. So it'll be our last 3 characters of your device password, add device. What you want to do is wait for the system to configure, and you'll see it with this progress, and it'll give you a notice after this. After that's done, you'll see a notice saying please set a system location. So press OK and press save on that location you have. After you see your location, your device will be added. Feel free to click on the play button so you can see it works. If you're having trouble connecting your 4G SIM card, we advise you to go and look at the quick guide and help notes and check your APN. And to do that, you would have to open network and sharing. You can also find this on the control panel. Click that, then go to Ethernet connection here. Go to properties. Scroll down to Internet Protocol version 4. You can double click this, and then most of your computers will be on obtain address, but what you want to do is use the following IP address. put this one in to Google in URL, and this will come up. Once you have filled in the URL address, this page will come up. Scroll down to 4G mobile network. Then here in the box APN, for today's demonstration we're using an Audi mobile SIM card. So that will be for the APN Telstra Internet. And then what you do is press save. Then that is done right there. You can also change the speaker volume and microphone volume. Thank you for choosing the AN1912 4G LTE Video Intercom. For more in-depth information regarding FAQs and troubleshooting, refer to the user manual or our website. Stay connected and secure with your new AN1912 from Aristel Networks.